A boy lost his father at a very young age, and his mother was unable to support him. Consequently, she sent him to an orphanage. This young boy later founded one of the world's most successful food chain industries. This is the incredible story of how a small pizza shop started by an orphan evolved into a global brand despite facing various controversies. Domino's Pizza has faced controversies in the past, including a lawsuit and incidents where employees were caught on video contaminating food ingredients. The Domino story starts with Tom Monaghan and his brother James, who were raised in foster homes and orphanages after their father died when Tom was only 4 years old. In 1960, the brothers purchased a small pizza restaurant called DomiNick's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. At that time, they had yet to learn that this unassuming establishment would be the foundation for what would eventually become one of the world's largest pizza chains. After renaming Domino's Pizza, the brothers embarked on a mission to transform the pizza delivery industry by promising hot, delicious pizza delivered in 30 minutes or less. Tom Monaghan borrowed $500 to purchase a store. In 1961, James gave Tom his part of the business in exchange for a Volkswagen Beetle car. Tom started the pizza business to support himself while studying to become an architect. However, he eventually abandoned his studies to concentrate on expanding the business. Tom Monaghan became the sole owner of the pizza company in 1965, and he changed its name to Domino's Pizza. During the late 70s, the number of franchise pizza businesses in the United States had exceeded 200, and Domino's Pizza was prepared to expand its operations into the international market. By the early 1980s, Domino's had grown to become the biggest pizza delivery chain in the United States, with over 1,000 locations. The company also expanded into international markets, opening stores in Canada and Japan. In 1983, Domino's introduced the Domino's Pizza Tracker, a groundbreaking system that allowed customers to track the status of their pizza delivery in real time. This innovative idea helped establish Domino's Pizza as a leader in the pizza industry. Domino's stood out from its competitors thanks to its remarkable marketing stunts that caught the public's attention and increased their craving for pizza. Who could ever forget the famous Avoid the Noid campaign, which showcased a mischievous claymation character causing chaos on Domino's deliveries? The Pizza Turnaround campaign, where Domino's acknowledged customer complaints and reformulated its recipes, significantly boosting sales and customer satisfaction. Every bold move Domino's made helped reinforce its reputation as a pizza giant that wasn't afraid to innovate and push the limits of creativity. On May 12, 1983, Domino's Pizza opened its first international store in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Later that same year, the company opened its 1,000th store in Vancouver, Washington. In 1985, Domino's expanded its reach to the United Kingdom with its first store in Luton and opened its first store in Tokyo, Japan. In 1993, Domino's became the second American franchise to open in the Dominican Republic and the first to open in Haiti with the guidance of entrepreneur Louis Rodriguez. By 1995, the company had spread to 1,000 international locations. In 1997, Domino's reached a milestone by opening its 1,500th international location, with the launch of 7 stores in one day across 5 continents. Fast forward to 2014, the company had expanded to 6,000 international locations and had plans to expand to Italy, the birthplace of pizza. This plan became a reality on October 5, 2015, with the opening of the first Italian location in Milan. However, due to tough competition from local restaurants and financial difficulties, in 2022, the franchisor who ran all 29 of Domino's outlets in that country, the ancestral homeland of pizza, filed for bankruptcy when it couldn't compete with more traditional pizza places. Domino's was forced to exit the Italian market in 2022. Domino's is famous for its innovative approach to pizza delivery. Initially, the company promised to deliver pizzas within 30 minutes or less, or the pizza would be free. This guarantee helped to establish Domino's as a fast and reliable option for pizza delivery and played a significant role in driving the company's growth. Domino's is a prime example of a business that shifted from playing a finite game to an infinite game. This change allowed the company to make one of the most remarkable comebacks in recent history, propelling it to the top as one of the world's most successful pizza chains. The company has grown significantly since founder Tom Monaghan first purchased the similarly named DomiNick's in Michigan in 1960. However, Due to the sheer size of such a venture over the past 5 decades, it has faced its fair share of controversy, from contaminated food to some horrifying and tragic stories in which the company was forced to be involved. What was once a simple chain of restaurants has now become the go-to name for anyone, from weekly pizza lovers to newcomers wanting to know what the fuss is about. In 1975, they faced a lawsuit by Amstar Corporation, the maker of Domino sugar, alleging trademark infringement and unfair competition. On May 2, 1980, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans favored Domino's Pizza. Disgusting Domino's People is a collection of 5 viral videos uploaded to YouTube on April 13, 2009. The videos show a male employee at a Domino's Pizza franchise contaminating food ingredients with his nostrils and buttocks. At the same time, a female narrator informs viewers that the contaminated ingredients will be used to prepare food for customers. Within days of being uploaded, the videos received over 1 million views, resulted in the employees being fired and charged with a felony for food contamination, and hurt the reputation of the Domino's brand. Having a positive mindset is a great way to achieve success in the business world. Domino's Pizza is an excellent example of this, as they combine positivity with creativity and action. Following an incident, they launched a campaign that capitalized on the situation and used social media to gather feedback on their product. This occurred in the same year as the original incident. In 2009, Domino's brand image took a big hit. By 2010, the complaints about the pizza and its lackluster taste had become too numerous to ignore, even at the company's headquarters. The company admitted that its pizzas were only sometimes of the highest quality and promised to enhance the taste and quality of its pizzas. Instead of trying to hide the negative comments and ignore the critics, Domino's took a bold step. They featured all the negative comments in a national advertisement and promised to improve. This was a courageous move in the corporate world, and they faced their critics head-on. In 2018, Domino's Pizza ran a promotional campaign in Russia, offering a lifetime supply of free pizza to fans who got a tattoo of the brand's logo. The campaign had to end abruptly due to an overwhelming response, as too many people rushed to get ink. As a result, the company changed the terms of the campaign and offered free pizza to the first 350 people who shared a picture of their tattoo online. The unfortunate collision between a Domino's delivery driver and that of Ruth and Devavram Christopher, a couple whose lives were irrevocably changed, being that following the incident, Ruth passed away and Devavram was left with brain damage. The family's attorney blamed Domino's strict delivery time policies and the driver's wage, saying that he was forced to rush to his destination, which contributed to the accident. The court agreed with this, despite Domino's filing an appeal and stating they had no control over this aspect of their business. It remains one of the most expensive lawsuits brought against the company. As the digital age began, Domino's welcomed technology with open arms. They utilized the internet and mobile apps to simplify ordering and delivery. The company's innovative online ordering, pizza tracking, and social media engagement transformed how customers interacted with their favorite pizza chain. With just a few clicks or taps, pizza enthusiasts could satisfy their cravings from their homes, making Domino's the ultimate convenience food for the digital generation. Over the years, Domino's has consistently prioritized customer satisfaction, which has contributed to the company's resilience and success. In response to the COVID-19 crisis, Domino's has donated approximately 10 million slices of pizza to local communities in both company-owned and franchise stores to help those in need. Domino's Pizza has become one of the biggest pizza chains worldwide, with over 17,000 locations in over 90 countries. The company's triumph is thanks to its innovative methods of delivering pizzas and its dedication to providing quality food and excellent customer service. Looking towards the future, one thing is sure: Domino's Pizza is showing no signs of slowing down. With its innovative spirit, relentless focus on customer experience, and unwavering dedication to delicious pizza, Domino's is poised to continue its reign as the king of the pizza world. Be it through bold marketing campaigns, technological advancements, or menu innovations, Domino's will continue to push the boundaries of what is achievable in the pizza world. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey. May your pizza have a crispy crust, plentiful toppings, and perfectly melted cheese. Subscribe for more informative and exciting videos.